Hello friends, today I will give you an overview about epithelial tissue. So we have two type of epithelial tissue, simple epithelial and stratified epithelial. Simple epithelial tissue is single layered, whereas stratified epithelial tissue is multiple layered. Now first is simple epithelial. Simple epithelial is further classified as simple squamous, simple cuboidal and simple columnar. In simple squamous, flat cell with flat nucleus. Second one in simple cuboidal. Height is equals to the breadth with there is a central spherical nucleus. In simple columnar, height of cell is more than its breadth with oval nucleus. So first is simple squamous. The site where simple squamous present, I made a mnemonic for it. It is blame. B stand for Bowman capsule, L stand for lungs or alveoli, E stand for endothelium, and M stand for mesothelium. Now the second is simple cuboidal. For simple cuboidal, the mnemonic is ROT. R stand for renal tubule, which include PCT, DCT, O stand for ovary, and T stand for thyroid follicle. The third one is simple columnar, and the mnemonic for it is Big Sur. B stand for brain, I stand for intestine, G stand for gallbladder, S stand for stomach, I stand for inner enamel, R stand for respiratory tract. Now stratified squamous. They are multiple layered and flat cell with flat nucleus. And the mnemonic for stratified squamous is leave go, in which L stand for larynx, E stand for epidermis, A stand for anus, V stand for vagina, E stand for esophagus, G stand for gingiva, O stand for oral cavity, and last O stand for oropharynx. Now pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. It is also known as respiratory epithelium. It is a single layer, but it looks like multiple layer because the nuclei is present at different level. In pseudostratified, each cell touching the basement membrane. To remember pseudostratified epithelium, the mnemonic for it is please don't bark, in which P stands for paranasal sinus, D and O is for the mnemonic, N is for nasal cavity, another N is for nasopharynx, T is for trachea, and B is for bronchi. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, you can subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.